Okay, to enter and exit Fastboot mode on your Redmi Note 14, as a first step, we need to turn off the phone. For that, press and hold power and volume up buttons together like that. And now in this menu, simply swipe up to power off the phone. After that, when the screen will be completely turned off, you will need to hold power button, and once you see Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, quickly hold volume down. Let's try this out. I'm gonna hold power and switch to volume down. And yes, now we can see Fastboot port, so we just entered Fastboot mode. So what does it mean? Basically, this mode helps to renew the flash files on your Android devices directly. This is also an alternative to the recovery mode that helps you with the installations and updates, and it helps to modify or write data directly to your phone's flash memory. And to exit this mode, just hold power button itself till you see Xiaomi logo on the screen. After that, you can release the button and your phone will turn on itself. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.